after it!
Don't look down! Sounds are stuck! This isn't just lost sound.
Did you hear that?
The cave answered first. It's bigger than I imagined. Whoa! Okay. Incoming! Stay sharp! I've got ya! Not working! Everything's going haywire! We need to focus.
Hold on! Thanks, that was close.
Stay inside. This will hold. Wow, it's working.
We move together.
Path's ready.
Hold steady!
Wait, look at that flicker. Good eye, Tom. That should calm it down a bit. Perfect. Now we can move carefully.
Ready, everyone?
We've got this.
We stand together.
Hold on, we can weather this.
It's so loud!
Stay together. Keep moving. Watch the floor. Echo path ready. Follow me.
Stay sharp.
I've got this. Stay behind me.
Bao, you're amazing!
We move together.
It's hurting. It's not mean.
All those sounds, they're trapped. We need to help, not fight. The stone, it's controlling everything.
That's why it's in pain.
We don't fight it, we fix the source.
It's not you. It's the stone.
We understand now. No fighting. We help. We're not here to hurt you.
We just want to help.
It's okay. You can relax. We're here to help you. It's okay. See? No harm will come. Just follow their lead.
We're with you.
Follow the colors. It's okay. Steady, just like this. Let's bring it back to life. Colors everywhere.
Hold it steady. It's working.
Hello, you are safe now.
Look at it go.
It's free, finally.
It feels peaceful.
Everything's right again.
Balance restored.
We're glad you're safe.
It's so happy. It's so happy.
Everything's okay now. The city feels alive again. Everything's colorful and happy.
Look, the fountains sing again. Welcome back, Melody.
You're flying again.
The city sounds alive.
It feels good to hear again. Everything's back to life. The city sounds alive again. And we did it. Everything's safe. And colorful again. Same time tomorrow?
Always.